guys, so in this video I'm going to share about some of the important knowledge and concepts that you must know and master before you sit for your experience exams. So in this video I would like to share some knowledge about acid, base and salt, and thanks to Jago Abdullah Aziz's effort and as a token of appreciation to him, this is a free PDF that I get that I hope it can help you in understanding more about for this chapter. So without further ado, let's start with the first question. Okay. The first question is asking which of the following statement is true about the acid. So the first thing is we need to know what is actually an acid. So acid turns red lemons pepper blue. Okay, this is the correct statement. An acid contains hydrogen ions in the aqueous solution. Okay, this is also a correct statement. An acid has a pH of more than 7. It is less than, if it's more than, it is alkaline. Okay, this is how we correct the statement, the wrong statement. Acid reacts with metal to give off the hydrogen gas. Yes, this is one of the chemical properties of the acid. So the answer would be 1, 2, and 2, 4. So actually the answer is A and C. Acid reacts with metal. So it must be react with the more reactive metal. So in this case, the A will be more correct but also the fourth option, the last statement is also correct, more reactive metal. For example, acid reacts with metal to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, the next question. In an experiment, the damp universal indicator pepper changes from green to purple when the gas X delivered to it. Which of the following is correct about the statement? The very important information that we get is the universal indicator changes from the color green to purple. So it means that it is the alkali solution. So alkali solution means it will produce a large or high concentrations or low concentrations of the hydroxide ion. So let's see the option one by one. pH value less than 7. No, it should be more than 7 because alkali is the substances that produce the ionizes hydroxide ions in the water. So alkali will be more than 7 for the pH. So B. X ionizes in water to produce hydroxide ion. Okay. C. X has high concentration of hydrogen ion. No, it should be something related to the hydroxide ion. X. Okay, D. X is produced from the reactions between acid and alkali. We're not sure whether what gas S is, so we cannot confirm or deduce. We cannot say it is produced from the acid or alkali. Okay. The next question, diagram below shows the gas X is bubbled through the distilled water. The solution obtained changed the blue lemons pepper to red. So when we observe this kind of reaction, which is blue to red, it means that it is also an alkali. It's caused by the alkali. So A, B, C, D, A is the answer. Ammonia, for information, ammonia is a weak base which is ionized in the water to produce low concentrations of the hydroxide ion. Sulfur dioxide is found in the acid rain. So since we already said it is acid rain, so it is acidic. Okay, table below shows a solution P, Q, R, and S with the pH value. Okay, so we have 4 solutions, which is P, Q, R, and S. And the pH is 3, 7, 9, and 11. Which of the following reacts with magnesium to produce the hydrogen gas? Okay, so at first, so magnesium is a metal. So which solution, acidic, neutral, or alkaline will react with metal to produce hydrogen gas? So the answer is P, because only acid will react with the metal to produce hydrogen gas. So based on the pH given, we know that this is an acid, and Q is the neutral solution. Meanwhile, R and S is the alkaline solution. Okay, let's look at this question. So this table shows the solution A, B, C, and D, A, B, C, D, E with their pH values. Okay, the question is asking which of the two solutions will produce the neutral solution when mixed. Okay, A is the acid, B is also acid because the pH value is less than 7. Only pH, when pH equals to 7, it is the neutral solution, meaning it is not acid and not alkali. So D and E will be alkali automatically since the pH is more than 7. So this is very easy, okay? I hope you master this knowledge. So which of the solution will produce neutral solution when mixed? So neutral. So we have a process known as neutralization. So neutralization is a reaction when the acid react with the base to form salt and water. So for your information, water has the neutral pH of 7. So salt water, when salt dissolves in water, it also not giving out any acidic properties or alkali properties. So this is the neutral solution it means, okay? Because there is no acid or alkali present after the product, okay? So we need to choose the combinations of acid and alkali. So A and B will not be the answer because two acids will not react with each other. So D and E, okay, it's not also the same answer because both are alkali base. C and D, neutral and alkali solution will not react also. So only the answer that is matched is B and E, which B is the acid and E is the alkali.